Hi, I'm Philip Bolton, a product manager for DEWALT. Today we're going to discuss the 20V Max Atomic Right Angle Die Grinder. Delivering superior maneuverability, drop the hoses and experience 455 max watts out of untethered performance with a slim, ergonomic design allowing access into ultra-tight spaces. With variable speed both in the trigger and through speed select, you can adjust the RPM of the unit to the accessory and the application. 10K, 15K, 20K, and 24.5K no load. Its power-dense design fits this performance into an ultra-compact size, allowing access into tight fixtures where full-size grinders just won't fit. The result? An industrial fabrication tool 9% shorter length in usage versus the closest comparable pneumatic competitor. The non-locking paddle switch replicates the performance and operation of pneumatic tools, while the spindle lock enables easy accessory changes without the need for multiple wrenches. The built-in LED helps illuminate the workpiece in a variety of applications, whether surface prep, deburring, cutting, weld prep, or beveling. This die grinder pairs well with an assortment of 2-inch or smaller die grinder accessories. And we didn't stop there. This tool is equipped with DEWALT anti-rotation system to help maximize control. This feature quickly stops the accessory when a pinch, stall, or bind-up event is sensed, reducing reactionary torque to the end user. Additionally, the tool also includes an electronic brake that stops the accessory in less than a second. Atomic Compact Series, where size meets power.